Okay, so this segment is to open a project, a comma separated values file called project. So let's open a new, if we can get the computer to respond. Have you got project.csv?
Yeah.
And you've already opened it with Excel spreadsheet?
Yes.
Okay. Well, this is great. I'm just got a blue circle turning. We'll go to the downloads. Okay, so project we're going to open with Excel. Oh, here we go. Now the task we have to, this file lists some workers, and below each worker is the number of jobs they have still to finish for a project. We are required to place a formula in cell A22 to count the number of jobs that still have to be finished for the project. So cell A22, the number of workers who have not finished. Now, some of these cells above have numbers and some of these cells have text. If we want to just add up the numbers and ignore the text, we use a count function. So we put in this cell, A22, we type equal, then count, C-O-U-N-T. Now, I like highlighting, or you can just type A from A2 all the way down to A19. Or you could simply type A2 colon A19 in a bracket, open bracket. 2 full colon A19 and then close bracket and hit enter.
Did you get 7?
I got 7. Should we get 7? Let's have a look. It should give 7. But why is it? Oh, that's the number. Oh, yes. We just want the number of jobs that still have to be finished. So wouldn't we?
Wouldn't that have to be added all together?
Oh, hang on. Look at what A21 says. The number of workers who have not finished.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, that just basically says how. Notice Dan Bray has no number. Okay, so because there's no numbers, what we've done is we've counted the number of times a number appears. So if there's a number, that job has not been. That doesn't say how many projects haven't been done. That's just the number of workers.
Okay.
Now, we want next field A24. We want to place a formula in cell A24 to count the number of workers on the project. Now, anyone listed is to be considered a number of workers. What we will do is we will use what's called a count A function. That will count any cell that has some information in it. So if we put equals count A and then highlight from A2 to A19, all of them, right? Even the numbers. So you highlight A2, just don't highlight the title project 142, all the way down to A19. Now, if you just look at that value, that says 16. But 16 is inclusive of all of the numbers as well.
Yes.
We have to go back and put a minus after that formula.
Okay.
So we can minus.
So do I add the...
Now here we can either minus the answer we got in A22, or we could minus the full count A2 to A19 function. I'm going to use the count A2 to A19.
So do I close the bracket?
Yes.
I mean, do I use the bracket?
So close the bracket.
Close the bracket. And then minus?
Minus, and then count without the A. That will count the numbers. It will take away the numbers from 16 and you've got your final answer.
Am I supposed to put equal sign?
Put a?
Equal sign for the count? No.
The very first character is an equal.
The second?
No, it's a formula now. It's count that number minus count A2 to A19. That's going to be in brackets.
2,
To A19.
3, 2, 2, 3, 9.
Close bracket. And hit equals, yes, you should get 9. Without that subtraction, we would have got 16, as we did before. All right, that's all for this activity.
Oh, cool.
Until we talk again, stay happy.